Hi guys, my name is Parakpal and welcome back in the new lecture of Etab. In this particular lecture, I'm going to discuss about how we can assign the slab, shear wall and the support in the overall building. Tomorrow lecture, we will discuss about how many loads we need to apply. After that, we will see that how we can analyze it, and after analyzing, we can see the designing. Okay, so in this coming 5 lectures, you can see all the procedures very properly. Okay, so now first of all, to assign the slab, we need to go to the properties, okay, and we need to see the structure layouts. We already have the structure layout, we have the grids patterns, okay. We need to check the slab decks, and we already cleared slab 120. So make sure that you are on all stories and you click on this plan view and just go to the plan of the top story and click on apply, okay. Okay, when you hit on okay, okay, it just gives few time because it take a time, right? Just click over here, okay, draw a rectangular floor wall for slash wall plan elevation, or here you can see the draw you need to draw with the help of the points, right? So I'm going to draw with the help of the rectangle. Okay, you can select the two both of them. Okay, there's no any issue with that. Just select the slab 120. Okay, after that, here what we have to do is just when you selected the top story and all story, it will automatically reflect to the all floors. Okay, so the procedure is just select like this. Okay, like this, right? Just give few times, it will automatically reflect to the all stories. Okay, after that, you can see here also you can do like this. Okay, right? Then again you can see you can provide it like this. Okay, just give few time. Okay, okay, like this. Then again here you can draw like this. Okay, because due to the configuration of the laptop also it takes few time, but you can see we already created the plate over here. Okay, now after that, so this is one of the very simple process which you need to follow. So you can see I assigned the all slab panels properly. Now again just click on this pattern, okay, and just go to the again next floor and come on the again on the top floor, so you can see whether all plates are properly created or not. Okay, it takes times to reflect the data, but you can see we already created all panels. Okay, just go to the plan, click on 10 story, click on apply, click on OK. Okay, so you can see this all are created properly. Now after that, we need to create a wall section. So let's provide the shear wall section. So we already provided the wall uh, pattern over here. Okay, so just select the wall, modify. Okay, I'm providing the material M40 grade of concrete. Okay, and after that, okay, here we already have M40 grade of concrete material, right? Then here I'm providing thickness as a 200 mm. Okay, then after that, okay, click on OK. Okay, then what we have to do, just click over here, draw walls, or you can see quick draw walls. So I'm selecting this one. Okay, and then after that, what you have to do, select the plan, draw here, okay, then draw it over here, okay, right? After that, press escape. Again, click on the same pattern, okay, draw walls from here to here, okay. Just wait a minute. You can see it takes a different procedure. Control Z to delete a wall, okay, and see this particular section we need to again delete, right? So what we can do, we can delete the section once again, and we can once again redesign, okay? We remodel, okay? Or you can do the Control Z, right? Okay. So you can see again I am doing Control Z and Control Z, okay? So my all members are gone once again. So now I'm considering this particular pattern, okay? Because these things are very important to model the geometry. So select this one, draw walls. I'm drawing from this till this. Now again at this point and coming on this point. Okay, right? Right click, right? Press this model. Now you can see the plan is properly prepared. Now if I select this plan and if I rotate it, you can see the shear wall directly, right? Does it look very nice? Hmm? Are you satisfied with this plan, Rao? Right? So now here you can see the our overall building is having the multi-story model like this. Understand? Now at the bottom, it's very important to get some information related to the slab because this particular slab is not so important for me and that is not important. So select the base story, apply, and then click on OK. After that, change this all story to one story and delete all the slab panels, right? So just select the points, okay? Delete, 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 select this one, delete, select this one, delete, select this one, delete, okay? So you need to delete all the slab panels, okay? It take time because it is a time taking process. So don't worry about this, but the model should be properly designed, okay? Whatever you are going to do, the model should be properly designed. If model not properly designed, so it may definitely provide you the wrong design, and the wrong design will never stands for a longer time. So you should whenever there is a when you are planning to do something very good, okay, you should draw your building plan, okay, and just draw your geometry very properly. Now when you're done with your all the data, just select your all the supports, okay. You can see all supports are selected. Now go to the assign, joint, okay, restrain, fix support, apply, and okay. Now you have the fixed support with all the frame structure. Now you can see your model with rotational parameter. Okay, like this. So this is your final model what you have prepared. So in next video, I am going to discuss about how we can provide the loading conditions, okay, the slab modification and everything in next video. So hope Just wait for it tomorrow. You will get a very good output tomorrow. Okay. Have a nice day. Bye bye.